By June 23, FET is expected to rise 1.1% per coin data flow. But first, let's take a second to assess the latest price behavior. At this time, FET has fallen 0.6% and is positioned around $0.1858. Let's unpack today's forecast from experts. The forecast from CoinDataFlow points to $0.188 by June 23, a projected gain of about 1.1%. Gov Capital Collector anticipates FET could touch $0.1867, marking a rise close to 0.4%. Crypto Predictions highlights the possibility of approaching $0.1861, a potential increase near 0.1%. A separate analysis by Digital Coin Price suggests FET could retreat towards $0.1842, roughly 1% lower. And to wrap up, CoinCodex expects a fall to $0.182 by tomorrow, a potential decrease of 2.2%. This forecast is the most profitable today. Forecasts are done. Let's explore what comes next. Now let's take a step into what each forecast might deliver. Taking the whole picture into account, the price could shift anywhere from a drop of 2.2% to an increase of 1.1%, depending on the analyst. From this, we can see CoinCodex holding the top forecast with 2.2% gain in value by tomorrow. By the look of it, you could walk away with between $1 and $22 for every $1,000 you invest. With volatility factored in, Crypto Predictions' forecast carries a 99% probability of hitting the target. Pulling together the 5 forecasts, I've come up with a consensus scenario. The consensus calculation indicates FET trading near $0.1854. So, let's check it out in detail. The consensus estimate points to a loss of around 0.3%. This suggests your capital might also grow by roughly 0.3%. If you invested $1,000, the forecast could mean $3 in profit. Based on the consensus, the probability for this outcome stands near 98.9%. On to the next, let's go through how analysts anticipate the price will evolve over the 3 days. CoinDataFlow highlights that FET is on an upward path. Gov Capital Collector expects FET to hover close to its current level, showing no clear direction. A bearish forecast is made by Crypto Predictions, expecting losses. Similarly, Digital Coin Price suggests FET will retreat from current levels. Additionally, CoinCodex forecasts FET moving lower. The consensus suggests FET will stay close to its current price over the next 3 days. At the end of the day, 60% of analysts lean bearish on FET. 2 days back, 5 forecasts were published. Now we'll see how they measured against reality. Ultimately, the session wrapped up with the price at $0.1794. Yesterday's market showed that only a minority predicted the correct direction. If we check accuracy alone, Gov Capital Collector was the closest. Now for the details. Yesterday's candle showed 3 forecasts inside. For ROI performance, multiple analysts managed to stay above zero, and Gov Capital Collector led with 2.7%. Here's the fact check summary, all performance data in one place. And looking at the numbers, CoinDataFlow showed a forecast probability of 98.8%, an accuracy value of, and an ROI of 0.9%. Look closely. Who do you think gave the strongest forecast? Let's move on and check how tomorrow's predicted income compares for FET and other selected assets. AVE shows the strongest forecast at 4.4% and FET ranks below. We're looking at a limited group of 5 coins, and a wider range of crypto forecasts is already on my website. Stay ready for the next move, hit subscribe and never fall behind. See you next time.